Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I made 2 loaves of whole wheat bread. Look at this bread. Just putting some butter on it, just out of the oven. This is whole wheat bread. They're so soft. Look. Oh my. It's just like a pillow of goodness. The bakery doesn't have anything on this. I will leave the ingredients in the description box below. I used my stand mixer for this. I just dumped everything in and started and stepped away. After it was finished mixing, I allowed it to rise and then shape them. Rise again, and here we are. 30 minutes later, they're ready. This is whole wheat bread. And I must shout out to my members right here. Oh my word, I did it. This slice is for you. Oh yes, this is whole wheat bread, fresh, soft, airy and fluffy. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.